What happens when a student begins to struggle academically? It rarely happens overnight. It may begin with a few missing assignments, declining grades, ineffective study habits, difficulty staying organized, or a gradual loss of motivation. Left unaddressed, these small challenges can grow into larger obstacles that affect not only academic performance, but also confidence, independence, and a student's belief in their ability to succeed. The good news is that academic challenges do not have to define a student's future. At AC&T Educational Consulting Group, we believe every student can succeed. Through our early intervention and academic recovery program, we provide personalized support that helps students overcome challenges, build stronger academic habits, and achieve lasting success. Our early intervention program provides proactive support before small challenges become major setbacks. Students strengthen study skills, improve organization and time management, develop effective learning strategies, and build the confidence needed to stay on a successful path. For students who have already fallen behind, our academic recovery program provides a structured path forward. Through individualized academic coaching, personalized recovery plans, accountability, and ongoing encouragement, students regain momentum, improve academic performance, and restore both motivation and confidence. Because every student is unique, every academic coaching plan is tailored to the student's individual needs, strengths, learning style, and academic goals. We also partner with families to provide guidance and support throughout the student's academic journey. At AC&T, we do more than help students improve their grades. We help them develop the skills, confidence, and resilience to succeed in high school, college, and beyond. Ready to reach your full potential? Visit educonsult.com and schedule your complimentary 30-minute consultation today.